Hello everybody, my name is Arthur. I'm a 15-year-old entrepreneur and I have 4 income streams which I'll be explaining in this video right here, so don't go away. If you are a 15-year-old, make sure to subscribe because I'll be making videos explaining how I did it, how you could do it even easier, and what you should do with all of these. So make sure to subscribe. Anyways guys, my first income stream is eBay. I do sell on eBay currently. I'm not a big seller. In the last 90 days, I have made $2,377. So not the biggest eBay sellers, but I'm starting to get into it. I've been recently buying more equipment. I've been recently buying more materials. And I am trying to make this business even bigger than it already is. And I'll be making a lot of eBay videos in this channel. So if you want to learn a lot about eBay, make sure to subscribe because that's going to be the main topic about this channel. Also, if you want to check out my eBay store, maybe you'll see something that you like, then I'll greatly appreciate it if you do purchase something from my eBay store. Anyways guys, move on to the second stream of income, and it is Mercari. It is kind of the same thing as eBay. You sell on it, but it's a little different in fees and all that stuff. On Mercari, I made $626.81 all time. So I've made that much in the whole time of me selling on Mercari. Again, it's just me selling stuff on it. Again, I'm not the biggest, but I am trying to get bigger with reselling because it is something that I kind of want to do. And moving on to number 3, you are on it right now, and it is YouTube AdSense. Okay, so basically that is whenever a viewer watches my video, I get a small amount of money. Basically, every 1,000 monetized views, I get a set amount of money. Currently, mine is around $4, but since I recently switched over from entertainment to business, the CPM should be going a little higher. And then the last month with YouTube AdSense, I've made $6.45. It's not that much because I don't really post that often. The last time I posted was like a week and something ago, and then before that was like months. So I don't really post that often, but I want to post more. So again, subscribe so you can stay tuned for all this uploading. And the fourth and kind of semi-last thing is merchandise. I'm actually wearing it right now. You can go get it in the link in the description. If you want to get it, you can go check it out. All time, I've made around $35. It's not too much as net profit. $35 isn't that much, but I mean, it's extra money that I get for net profit for doing nothing. I don't make the shirts. I use Teespring. They make the shirts and they ship it off to you guys. So I don't do anything, I just get the money. So, I mean, I think it's a great investment in a way, investment of your time. And why I said that this fourth merch one wasn't technically the last one, because I do some other side things and stuff, but it's not nearly as much as these other ones. Like I dip around in stocks, I do like some other small things, but it's not like big enough to be in this income stream video. Anyways guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to be making a lot more videos soon. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, leave a like on this video if you really liked it. Comment down below what video or what you want me to do next. And guys, basically, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.